Hi there, students. Prerogative. Okay, a prerogative is an exclusive right or a privilege held by a certain person or a certain group. But more commonly and more easily, it's a privilege or a right. So, it's my party and it's my prerogative to choose the music. Okay, I provided all this, so I get to choose the music. It's the right to decide before anyone else. The right to the first choice. Okay, so if somebody has a prerogative, they have the right or the power to decide something. For example, the landlord of a pub has the prerogative to decide who is allowed in his pub and who isn't. You out. And that's the landlord's prerogative because it's his business, it's his pub. Okay, this word prerogative, we also have the royal prerogative. In the Middle Ages, kings were absolute rulers and they had the prerogative to do whatever they wanted. Nowadays, the royal prerogative is very, very much reduced, and the Queen in the UK will not do anything without consulting Parliament and the Prime Minister first, although technically she has the prerogative to do various things. For example, it's the royal prerogative to declare war. Although I'm certain the Queen would not declare war on any country without the permission, I'm going to use the word permission, of Parliament and the Prime Minister. Okay, although technically it's her right, her privilege to decide who the nation is at war with. So this is the idea of prerogative. She can refuse if she wants. It's her prerogative. It's up to her. She can decide. It's not up to someone else. You could say it is a gentleman's prerogative to change his mind. So he has the right to do this. It's something that a right that belongs to that person. Okay, this word prerogative, it comes from Latin. Prae, before, and rogare, to ask. So to ask first. So you have the right to ask before anyone else. And then if you don't make a decision, then somebody else can decide. Or somebody else has the right to decide. So prerogative, it's like first choice. It's your birthday, so you have the prerogative to decide what you want to do. You don't have to do what everyone else tells you to do. As it's your birthday, you have the prerogative to decide. So what about formality? I think this word prerogative probably 6.5 in formality. I think you could probably use it in an informal conversation, but I think I would probably prefer the word right. It's my right to choose the music. It's my prerogative. I think prerogative sounds more posh and a lot more formal. This word prerogative would sound really good in a formal setting, in a formal document or a formal writing or something like that. So, prerogative, the right or the privilege to decide something, to choose something, to do something, yeah? And notice, it's really on the formal side. Probably better to avoid it in an informal sense, in an informal usage. Okay? So, the right of choosing first, the right to decide. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prerogative.